start with one whole can. Just spread it around the bottom of your casserole dish. Take an entire box of these beef and cheese taquitos. They have like chicken ones as well, so you can use that if you'd like. And with the extras, you can kind of line them on the edge so it looks all nice and pretty. And we're gonna douse everything with 2 cans of red enchilada sauce. This is gonna be so good when it comes out of the oven. I'm gonna take this taco blend cheese that actually has taco seasonings inside the cheese. Put that all on top. That's a 2-cup bag. Next layer is a can of black beans. This is kind of like a all-in-one meal. Just serve this along some salad, ready to go. Next layer, I'm gonna get some of the Spanish style rice. It's kind of already ready to go. I'm gonna put a packet on there and a second packet next to it. And then you're going to cover the whole thing with this Fiesta blend. This is the blended cheese that doesn't have the taco sauce on it. Once that is all put together, this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Doesn't that look amazing? I'm going to go ahead and top it with a drained can of diced tomatoes and some chopped up green onions. And then I've got a container of sour cream that I'm going to be adding to, this is the juice of about 1.5 lemons to almost 2 lemons. Let's go ahead and mix that in there. And then you're gonna drizzle that all over the top. And then you're going to top everything with a little chopped cilantro. Doesn't this look pretty? So let me go ahead and dig in. Make sure I get some of that rice and the beans, 2 kinds of beans, and those taquitos, which with that enchilada sauce is going to be like little enchiladas. Look at those layers. Okay, put it in here. Look at that. Okay, can't wait to dig in. I've been waiting for this all day. Okay. Those taquitos and the rice. Oh my God, so cheesy, so good. You have to make this.